guys, it's your girl Okima here, and I'm back with another video. We are getting ready. Say hi.
Hi.
We are getting ready to, I don't know, have dinner or
Go bowling.
and this is my scent for the night, DKNY. You guys should try this. It's so nice.
This is my scent for the night.
What is this?
What is this? This is Christian Dior.
Tea. This? Should try this.
Where you gonna go?
Can't park it. Just come back up on the elevator. I can't park this. I'm just a girl. Yeah, mama tripod.
Use your filter.
It's by natural. This is
Yeah,
how I
whatever.
look in real life.
Okay. Okay. With my contact lens on. Where y'all go?
Second floor. Keep it feeling.
What?
Bless up.
Yeah, Z, G. Big up yourself. Yeah, Z. Whoa, firm.
Me the feeling in my head.
That'll be hot as fuck.
Cute. Curly. Yeah.
Where y'all go? There?
Bless up. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna give them a fit check. Fit check. Oh, look at my film. We give them a fit check. Fit check, guys. How it taste there? I don't know the connection. And that's my phone now.
So, I bought my thing. I didn't know where the fuck to buy it. I didn't know where to buy it. No, it wasn't. I didn't remember where I bought it because I saw it. I was like, yo, this is heavy duty. I was like, damn. I didn't take the one in the water. Get that. How would I want it? Oh, yeah. Why? Oh, you want a slider? Here, let me out of this. Wait, give us one.
Hello, good night. This is Arshad of school of Ibinato, School of Secretary. Happy birthday, Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you're going to the night time and drink to the wine, sing the part of Ready now, let's go. Pick up together with your relationship, alright. Ladies and gentlemen, no problem with it.
So guys, after we left the restaurant, we ended up down at the Jerk Center in Portmore. Down, right in front of Ken's there, so Ken's Wildflower. There is this jerk man, guys. Me call him the mango man, cause he uses this mango sauce on his chicken, so nice. So we ended up there. We bought 2 pounds of jerk chicken, and now we're at our Airbnb, and we're gonna check in right now. Hey guys, it's early in the morning. We're about to go get breakfast, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the view. The view is so nice. Look at the view, it's so pretty. This is the view from our Airbnb through the window. It's so nice. Oh my god, imagine waking up to this every day. Guys, look at the ship passing by. Say good morning to the people then.
Good morning.
Your man is dry. Your man is dry like.
Wow, call it Portmore. It's dry right now.
Guys, I didn't get to record out here last night. It was so dark. Nice, right? This is the pool area. Excuse me. Man, I just missed up here, some phone dropping there. I don't know what I would do. I have up there, so top floor. And yeah, this is a nice view. Not so cool. This is the next to the area, and that is the view. That's the view. Make sure I'm not through the window. So nice. Hey guys, it's another day, and right now I am at Scotiabank. Gonna use the ATM, get some cash, and then I'm going to the supermarket. I don't know what I'm doing after that. But we'll see. We'll see how it go. We'll see what a day bring away, right? So, as per usual, I'm bringing you guys with me. So, yeah.
What is this?
Guys, like a juicy patties. Even though his birthplace is Tasty, but we're far from Tasty right now, so it's gonna get juicy. And I strongly believe Juicy Patty is the best, and no arguing. Okay, the best of the best.
Cause you like eat dog food.
Them patty nice and the juicy beef is a run
food.
out. him say dog food, but I don't know. Tasty just dry and crusty.
So what you're saying is, you rather tasty crust and juicy beef patty. Juicy freaking beef crust, it lame. Everything about juicy lame.
No.
Look at the look up to them sign lame. Look.
Whatever.
Look how them sign lame.
But buy patty for the beef, but I buy patty for the crust.
Watch it. Everything about them that's lame.
We're right in front right now, guys. But yeah, it's the best. Okay? Don't sigh.
For Brownie and Rex.
My juicy beef, by the way. We're now at the supermarket, but I finished eating my patty and then we're going go shop. Boy, the supermarket look full. So to that Sunday, all of the people them left work, so they're gonna buy up them things before them go home. So in they look full. Like what? Be a church people. Guys, we got oxtail. We got oxtail. My favorites. So you're gonna cook that today. Today's Sunday, we're gonna cook oxtail and recipes. My favorites. Guys, I had to buy a new engine for my car. Guys, my car finally fixed. The new engine going now, and it starts up and everything. And them just start tying the bolts, put on back my wheel. And you know, yeah, them just connect little wire and stuff right now. So yeah, I'm good to go after so many weeks, like maybe like 2 weeks of me not driving because of my engine problem, overeating problem to be exact. And yeah, I'm up and running. I'm good to go. My car is start. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day, and I'm on my way to the car wash. My husband is in that car in front of me right here. So we're both going to car wash right now.
Taylor, come. Me order.
Hey, you're not nice in here. Not nice?
Yeah, come let me and catch a little bit of the cold thing, you know, so that body have to clean up now. Alright. So I'm leaving down here and I come visit. So now I'm bringing my here.
Bye bye, daddy.
I know.
Bye bye, daddy. Oh my god.
See Baba Daddy so morning.
Yeah.
Oh god, him get so used to like I tell her bye bye.
I know.
So guys, we're parking over the parking lot that is in front of the departure area. Yeah. Oh, 250. Oh, that's not bad. Oh. So guys, we reached airport. We actually park over the parking lot. We stop and we got breakfast and we said we're gonna, you know, like our park, we're gonna just eat before we go in.
Daddy.
You wanna go with daddy?
Yes.
You don't want to stay with mommy?
No, take a picture.
You don't want to stay with mommy?
Want to see Daddy?
You want to stay with me? Alright. You make it come with me. Alright? Okay? You're going to come with me. You have to come down first. Come down. Alright. You make it come with me. Alright?
Adian. 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 Adian.
Time period. Big up my husband.
Come. Come, Dadian. Come, buah. Come.
Come here, you go on the bed, Kylie. Go on. What is that then? Hold the brother on. No, no running. I'm gonna miss my baby so much, man. I'm gonna try not to cry, like, I'm stressed out. Come here, Jalen.
Print this out.
Come back this side. Jalen, come.
Tell mommy later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Mommy kiss.
You know, tell brother later.
Hug brother. Bye. So guys, I'm just going and stuff. No me know how my husband did I feel. No me know where my go through when he had to leave the baby here and like go. I like seeing the baby saying bye daddy. No me know it turned on for me now. So no me know where him actually did I feel it. Oh my god. I cry. Don't feel like such a woman I cry here. Before I start record I was crying. And when I see myself, bye bye mommy, oh my god. Guys, I'm rich home, yeah, man.
Future pilots.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you, buddy?
Say hi, Jalen.
Do you like airplanes? Airplane? Sit over here for us.
Go ahead.
Come and take a picture. Sit right here. Take a picture. Here, let me hide. I'll sit here. Turn around. Okay.
Yes.
Want to take this with you? Yeah. Say bye. Say high five. Alright. There you go.
Thanks, guys. I hope I'm not tired, you know. You tired?